Okay, now we're going to remove the lower valances here. I've got Anthony up in the car here, taking off the bolts on the inside. And we're going to do the, probably the left side first, and then we'll move over to the right side. Then we can get the bumper, disconnect the bumper side pieces off after we get these off, and then the rear bumper can come off. So we're going to start on that. Forget the washers. How you doing up there?
Good.
You got these bolts out?
No.
Take them out.
No?
Now.
Which one? This or this?
The ratchet. Take the bolts out.
This?
The bolts. Take these bolts out.
Okay. Which one? This?
With that, yes.
Okay.
And we're all waiting patiently. I can hear it.
I'm taking it with my hand. Okay.
That's it?
Yep.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
See?
What Anthony was struggling with is the two little nuts on here, which take really no effort to remove, but seem to take a long time for Anthony. But that's okay. We're going to move on to the next side, and
All right.
the one in the middle, and then we have a couple more on the other side. Okay, can you take the hold the bolt for the center
Okay.
for the right side?
Holding it. Which one? This? This?
That. Yeah.
All right. The circle one. Stop.
Do you see it in there?
Yes, I'm holding it. You got it.
Can you pull it out?
I did.
There's a washer in there.
I
Okay,
did.
hand me the nut, please. Oh, there we are.
There's two more right here.
So send them down so you don't lose them.
Yeah, here you go.
Okay. There are two bolts here. Oh no, those are 10.
Two bolts where?
Start on the other side if you can.
Where did the flashlight just go? I just lost the flashlight now. Where did the flashlight just go?
The bolt head is up
What?
on this side. I'm not talking to you. The bolt head is on this side of the muffler bracket here. Kind of difficult to get in there with the muffler. I should have taken that off first, but we got it. That's okay.
I lost the flashlight.
Join the club.
What?
It's up there.
Where? Oh, there, I see it.
And then there's one more up here. I'll have to get the wrench on it. I have a wrench. Go take the other side off, please.
What?
The other side.
Where? Why?
The other two nuts that you struggled with.
Ow. Ah! Lord, this car is hurting my leg.
If he was a little quicker, we would have done that side first and pulled this one out last, but it's okay.
What?
I said it's a nice day.
Okay.
Okay, you got it?
No! Be patient! Ow! On! Oh. Got it.
Watch the language.
What? Stop pulling it! I'm not yet done! Stop pulling it!
Am I pulling it?
Ugh. It won't fit.
It fits.
No, it doesn't.
They're both 10mm nuts.
Ow. Hold on.
I'm holding.
Don't push it.
I'm not pushing it.
Wait.
I'm waiting.
Okay. Hold on. Don't. Hold on. Just wait. Wait.
I'm waiting.
Okay, you can get it now.
Okay, all that drama just for these few bolts. All right, now I'm going to remove the nuts off of the studs for these rubber pieces on the sides. They they're held in with nuts on the inside flange here. These have to come off before we can take the bumper off. So we're going to start with the left side. You need to use a swivel because the nut is so close to the body you can't fit the ratchet in there. You okay? My lovely assistant. Wow. That's not tight on the bumper, but that'll still come off with the bumper. Okay. And this side. I guess you could have a magnet up in here and hold the magnet here while you do it, not drop everything like I do, but that's kind of a habit with me. I drop everything. Excuse me? Smart ass.
It's stuck in there. What do we do?
Good observation, master. There it is. Okay, there's the second one. Push that out, and then we'll take the two 10mm bolts out. They're actually not 10mm. The head is 10mm Allen. The bolt is, I think, 12mm. So far. Two. On the cart. Don't forget your tools. Now we'll lower the car and we'll slide the bumper off the brackets. Okay. And you will get that side. You're going to grab it from underneath. We're going to slide it right off. Okay. And right behind you. All right, we'll take the bumper brackets off as well. And that's it back here. The lock cylinder and then the turbo emblem will come off. Something satisfying about this. These break real easy right here. So I want to be careful with that. If you're not painting the car, this is not a good idea. But we'll be painting the car anyway, so a little scratch doesn't matter. Mr. Turbo. And that's it for the back of the car. Until we do more of the interior, we'll take the link to the little motor off we saw earlier, the lock cylinder and the two latches, and then all the wiring harness will be removed from the inside. Okay. Another unique car we have in the shop is a 1973 Citroen DS Super 5. The Super 5 means it's a 5-speed manual transmission. Very unique car, has a few unique features. Since Anthony here is also a Citroen expert, we're going to have him inside the car demonstrating a few features. Yeah.
Where's the door handle?
That's one way. Expert. Okay. First, let's open the hood. We'll show you the engine. It's got a 4-cylinder engine. They say is designed by Saab. But we don't just have one hood release. We have two. Fumbling around there. Okay. 4-cylinder engine. This car we're going to be putting a clutch in. To replace the clutch, as you can see, the transmission is in the front. Kind of unique. Another unique thing I found is a holder for engine oil. This is an original can. It was made in France, just like the car. Kind of fun. Another thing this car does, the suspension sits overnight, or over a few hours the suspension will go back down. It has an automatic hydraulic suspension system. You can go ahead and start it up if you think you can do it. And if you wait long enough, you're going to see the car rise up on its own. about it. Another feature, you can see the fog light inside the headlight assembly here. The fog light turns with the steering wheel. Also very interesting. And the back. Very unique car. Yeah, I got nothing. But unique.